We've had several customers asking about what sterile vial components should be ordered to make a complete sterile vial kit, or if there are pre-assembled sterile vials that can help take out the guesswork. Well, QCVIALZ has two options that can help. QCVIALZ offers pre-assembled ALK sterile vials in both clear and amber glass, ranging from 2 ml to 100 ml. You can find the ALK sterile vials link here at the top left of the QCVIALZ website homepage. These pre-stoppered and sealed sterile vials have already been washed, stoppered, sealed, sterilized, and have received validated sterility testing. Convenient small pack sizes make these ideal for small volume sterile vial packaging needs. One important note is the only way that you can fill a sealed ALK sterile vial without taking it apart is by the use of a filling syringe. And since filling ALK sealed sterile vials by a syringe is a slower process, a pre-sealed ALK sterile vial is best for small volume filling requirements. Now, the second option we have are unassembled separate sterile vial kit components. Sterile vials, sterile vial seals, and sterile vial stoppers, purchased separately, can often be a better option for larger batch processing when a clean room is available. You can find our sterile vial kit components at the QCVIALZ website by first clicking on Vial Packaging on the homepage menu here. Then click on Sterile Ready-to-Use Vial Kits. QCVIALZ offers unsealed, open, ready-to-fill sterile vials in sizes ranging from 2 ml to 10 ml in both clear and amber glass formats. These vials are manufactured using USP Type 1 borosilicate glass. They have been washed using USP water for injection grade water, and they have been depyrogenated with heat, then sterilized using ethylene oxide, steam, or vaporized hydrogen peroxide. Full USP sterility testing and endotoxin testing reports are available for each lot sold. Our Gerresheimer brand ready-to-fill open sterile vials are packaged in plastic cases and durable plastic trays. Both are lot labeled for traceability to your CGMP compliant documentation. One thing that's important to keep in mind is that the ready-to-fill unsealed sterile vials must be opened in a clean room or in a laminar flow hood as shown here. Along with our ready-to-fill open sterile vials, QCVIALZ offers pre-washed and sterilized vial stoppers in both 13mm and 20mm sizes. Our sterile vial stoppers are made from USP-grade butyl rubber, washed using purified water, dried using submicron filtered air, and then gamma irradiated at a minimum 10 kilograms using cobalt-60. Our sterile vial stoppers have both sterility testing and endotoxin testing performed by a U.S. located testing facility that is both FDA and ISO certified. To round out our complete sterile vial packaging kits, QCVIALZ offers washed and sterilized matte finish flip cap vial seals. Our sterile flip cap vial seals have no embossed lettering in the plastic to comply with USP guidelines, while the matte finish helps to resist scratches in the finish during transit. These seals are washed with purified water, dried in submicron filtered airflow room, bagged into 1,000 piece sterilization bags, then sterilized with ethylene oxide. Sterility and endotoxin testing is performed and documented for all batches of sterile vial seals, just like our sterile vials and sterile vial stoppers. In addition to our complete sterile vial kit components discussed so far, We also offer additional vial packaging and accessories, such as vial crimpers, highest quality USA manufactured vial crimpers by Kebi Industries, vial boxes, both single and multi-chamber vial boxes for vials ranging from 2 ml to 100 ml. We offer sterile and non-sterile capsule filters and other filter types by several manufacturers. We also offer non-sterile flip-off embossed flip cap vial seals by West Pharmaceuticals in both 13mm and 20mm sizes. We have more than 20 colors in stock with full documentation. We also offer a wide assortment of specialty aluminum vial seals for unique applications. We also, as shown in this picture, offer striped aluminum vial seals to add a unique flair to your packaging. And we also offer specialty vial stoppers in several sizes, ranging from 13mm to 32mm in round bottom, 2-leg, 3-leg, igloo, and infusion vial stopper varieties. We also have several specialty vial packaging kits and accessories. Shown here in this image are HRT implant pellet vial packaging kit components. We don't only offer packaging for pharmaceutical and biologicals customers, we also offer packaging used in the cosmetics industry. Shown here we have some flip-off, tear-off vial seals manufactured by West Pharmaceuticals. They're quite often used when you want to completely remove the seal and stopper to pour out vial contents, and they're really popular with manufacturers of face peel solutions. If you're located outside the United States, well, no problem. We ship not only to the United States, but also Canada, Australia, South America, the Middle East, and all of Europe. We can even assist you with customs clearance for all of our customers in Canada and Europe to make it easy to order from QCVIALZ.